What's up, everybody? It is your boy Truth, and welcome to Geeknology. If this is your first time on my channel, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop a video. Go ahead and share this video. Comment below. I love to interact with you guys. Head over to IG and follow your boy on IG at Geeknology. Follow me on Twitter at Geeknology and follow me on Snapchat, Geeknology23. I'm on my race to 5K, man. I'm at 2,500, literally halfway there. I need you guys' help. I know we can make it. Appreciate you guys supporting me and rocking with your boys thus far. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get up into this video. Let's do a video for you guys today because I know a lot of times we all go through these motions, you know what I'm saying, where we get a shoe and we sell it for whatever reason. Maybe we sell it because we don't know that it's a gem and how much we're going to like it. Maybe because it's a new silhouette and we're actually not feeling it, but we got our hands on it, but we just don't know. We're just not sure about it, so we just hurry up and offload it before we get stuck with a duck, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe we feel like they're going to restock a shoe or we can get it again, so we sell it because we need the bread right away. So many different reasons why we could sell a shoe. So today's video is going to be about the shoes that I wish that I didn't sell. The shoes that I had in my possession that I want in my collection, but I ended up selling them for whatever reason. So I'm going to tell you the shoes and I'm going to tell you the reason why. I miss a lot on the draws and stuff like that. So it's not too many shoes that are exclusive kicks that I had. So don't expect this list to be Off-Whites or Travis Scotts or anything like that. These are just shoes that I had that I offloaded for whatever reason and I regret selling them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get up into it. So starting off the list, like I said, this is not in any particular order. You guys know that I'm a Kobe fan. As you can tell, every time I make a video, I have a Kobe jersey put up. And Kobe was my dude. And rest his soul, he passed away at the beginning of the year. And right before this year started, I literally sold all my Kobe's. I sold all my Kobe's. I had about 11 pairs of Kobe's. But my mind frame was that I was going to sell these shoes because I knew they was going to retro him now that he was retiring. Now that he was retired, and I can get him new, and that can be my backdrop on my videos. That didn't happen. He passed away, and right when he passed away, right when I heard the news, I was like, man, why did I sell out my Kobe's? Now, with that being said, I do have a couple of Kobe's left, only 2 pairs, and both of these pairs, one of the pairs that I have, I actually play in, and that's going to be this one. As you can see, man, I got the KB 24 on the side, the GG number 2, and the RIP Mamba, so anytime that I'm on the court, I can pay respect to them. And then this shoe has been worn, man. I don't mind playing in low top shoes. It's a very unique shoe, but it's one of those shoes now. I would switch between this one and another Kobe, but that Kobe is like beat up, so I'm not even gonna show you guys that one. But this shoe is like my go-to sneaker shoe when it comes to hooping, my hooping shoe. I haven't been able to hoop because of the quarantine, so I can't wait to get it back on the court. But this is one of the Kobe's that I do still own. And also, I have the up-tempo blackout Kobe's. This one, as you can see, it's beat, man. I got this one in 2006, I want to say. And the front toe box is beat up. I actually wore this shoe. I didn't wear it that much, but just from it sitting over time, you know, sneakers tend to fall apart. So these are the only 2 Kobe's I have in my collection. So my first sneakers that I regret selling, which is like I said, 11 of them, was my Kobe's. The number 2 shoe that I regret selling was a shoe that I can actually get off StockX. Now a lot of these shoes you can get off StockX. Don't have to pay that much money. They have been retro. Some of them has been retro and stuff like that. But I just haven't got around to it. And I also used to play in this one. That's the He Got Game 13s. This one was the 2006 version, if I'm not mistaken. 2007. This one dropped in 2007, and like as you can see on the screen, man, I've worn it. I've worn it a lot. This is one of my favorite Jordans, so I did wear it quite a bit. They did just drop them last year, and I was gonna get them, but I sold it because I was like, you know what? They're gonna retro it, and I heard about the retro, so I sold my decent pair, my actual good pair. I sold them, and I never got around to buying the one that dropped last year in 2019, just because money wasn't right, situations popped off, and I just didn't get an opportunity to buy them. But like I said, it's a shoe that's on StockX for a reasonable price. I can get my hands on it, but I just haven't got around to it. A lot of these shoes that you're gonna see if you go through my page, and I'm gonna put the links down in the description section. I've actually done a review on these shoes, so you can go check those videos out. And like I said, some of them are from years ago. I've been doing this YouTube thing for about 4 years, 5 years, something like that. So I do have a lot of videos up, but I will put those links down in the description section. Now, number 3. Number 3 is going to be a Yeezy. This Yeezy is the core black, core white one. I did a review on these, and the only reason why I sold these shoes, I regret selling them because I did like that shoe. But the reason why I sold them because I didn't know exactly how Yeezys fit, and that was one of the I think that was like the first pair of B2s that I actually copped. So I got them in a size 11. I'm a traditional 11 and a half. I don't know who told me they run big, but I ended up getting them in an 11, so I couldn't fit them, so I had to sell them. If it wasn't for that, I probably wouldn't have sold them. But it was a dope shoe. I do wish I had that shoe back, but like I said, it's not one of those shoes where I would go and pay the resale value for them, because it's just so many Yeezys dropping in the black, and I got the static blacks, and then that white colorway, that it's kind of like pointless to go buy it again. Number 4 is going to be the Air Jordan 1 High OG Chicago. I had the Chicago colorway and I sold them. As a matter of fact, the only reason why I sold these shoes, I sold them for like $450, so it wasn't bad, $475, something like that. But the only reason why I sold them was because I was told that they were supposed to drop this year. And of course, they didn't hit us with the Chicago colorway, so now I don't have them. I definitely regret selling those. If I could go back, I probably wouldn't have sold them until after I got my new pair. But they were in pretty good condition. I did wear them quite a bit, but they had a little bit of creasing. But you know the Jordan 1s, you can let them crease a little bit and you can still rock them. But why did I sell those? I'm not sure, but don't sell your shoes until you know for sure a shoe is dropping. Make sure Jordan don't pull the wool over your eyes and do like a 2.0 or a 3.0 or a reverse colorway, because they always say they're gonna give us the OG retro colors and then they give us some crap, you know, or a 3.0 or a 3.0 hyper or whatever they give us, man. So make sure you know for sure that Nike and Jordan are gonna drop the shoe if you're gonna try to re-up, or keep the original and just get the second one. Don't sell your original until you know for sure. Lesson learned for your boy. Number 5 is going to be the Air Jordan 11 cap and gown. I'm not sure why I sold this shoe. To be honest with you, it was one of those things that I love all black shoes, and this one was a no-brainer. I had 2 pair and I sold both of them. I guess because I was hearing that the Gammas was going to drop, and I'm like, oh, these are kind of similar shoes. But still, now that I look at them and I'm like, you know what? I would like to have both those in the Gamma. So I end up selling them. Like I said, they're on StockX. I don't think they're that bad of a price. I haven't checked them. But it's one of those shoes where I felt like that, just like the all black 12s that dropped, any all black Yeezy, whenever you go to an all black sneaker, and it's a silhouette like that, you just can't go wrong with it. All right, to finish off my list, we're going to go with number 6, and that's going to be none other than the Yeezy B1 Turtle Doves. I had 2 pair of these shoes. Now let me tell you guys a story on this. Again, I purchased this shoe in a size 11 just because I didn't know. I heard they was bigger, so I couldn't wear the shoe anyway. But even though I couldn't wear them, if I know what I knew now about the shoe, I would have kept the shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I bought this shoe on release day. I literally sold them the day after I think I sold them for like $350, $375, maybe $400 each. So I made like $200 profit, you know what I'm saying? But when I'm looking at StockX, I can't even look at it right now because the price is like $1,200, man. And they went straight from the V1 to the V2. They made a couple of the V1s, but they went straight to the V2, and it's like they're not retro and they're bringing back the turtle doves. You know, we heard the story a few months ago or a year ago that it's a warehouse somewhere and they got all these different V1s, turtle doves, all that stuff, and they're gonna restock. Never happened. Really don't believe they have that. But it's kind of one of those things where you never know when you're purchasing shoes. You know what I'm saying? It was the first time we've seen the Yeezy, and seeing it in hand, I'm like, dude, what kind of crap is this? You know what I'm saying? I was kind of going on with the hype, you know what I'm saying? Instead of living by my motto, rock what you like, not what's hype, I was kind of going with the hype, and I'm like, all right, these people, they don't really want this shoe. It's not going to resell for much. I kept hearing the statement, oh, it looks like a slipper from Dollar General, blah, blah, blah. So I sold it because I didn't want to sit up under it, and I didn't want to be the guy to have that, you know, Dollar General type shoe on my feet. You know what I'm saying? But now, going back looking at it, I'm like, dude, the shoe was dope. the shoe resells for a crazy amount. It's like one of those shoes that you just want to have in your collection, because they're not gonna restock that shoe unless somebody knows something different. I don't think they're gonna restock that shoe. So for those of us that had it and we sold it, I kind of feel like we got to be kicking ourselves in the butt. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is a shoe. I had two, bro. I had two pairs. I could have sold one, kept the other one. You know what I'm saying? And that could have been my shoe in the collection that I just go to and be like, boom, yes, I have it. Can I wear it? Absolutely not. But do I have it in my collection? Yes, yes. That is a shoe out of all the shoes I had that I regret selling. So that's it for the shoes I regret selling. Man, you guys comment below. Let me know the list of your shoes that you regret selling. But let me know down in the comment section what shoes are on your list. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. Subscribe, comment, share this video. Go over to IG, do all those great things for your boy. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Y'all be blessed and be safe. I'm gone.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear.